The immortal Porsche 356 Speedster was succeeded in late 1958 by the more refined 356 Convertible D, with the D standing for their coach builder Draus. These new open 356s maintain much of the Speedster's racing feel, but with the enhanced practicality of a taller windshield, wind-up door glass, and a proper fitting convertible top. With the dawn of the 356B and its T5 body type, Porsche continued outsourcing production to Draus as the Roadster replaced the convertible D. For the 1962 model year, Porsche refined the 356 yet again with the debut of the T6 body type. To not overwhelm Draus and to clear production lines for the upcoming 356C, which would no longer feature a Roadster, Porsche commissioned the Belgian coach builder Deletrian to complete the T6 Roadsters, easily distinguishable by their squared hood, right front fender fuel filler, and engine lids with twin ventilation grills. This final Roadster ranks among the rarest Porsches ever made at just shy of 250 total examples. This 356 twin grille Roadster from the Rudi Klein collection is an incredible time capsule example, which Klein's hires believed to be entirely unrestored with original finishes throughout, and fewer than 600 miles shown at cataloging time. Per a copy of its Cardex build record on file, chassis number 89848 was shipped on March 29, 1962 and finished as it presents today in the elegant Oslo blue over gray leatherette trim. Deletrian production records collected by marquee enthusiasts further indicate that assembly and construction of the Porsche began on March 15, 1962, and this car is the second to last twin grille Roadster completed by the Belgian company. Factory equipped with the same 1600 normal engine and transaxle that still sit in its engine bay, this Roadster was delivered new via Autohaus Kraus Porsche in Nuremberg, Germany, and exported soon thereafter to the Los Angeles home of its first owner, Jack Schultz. During the early 1970s, the car was acquired by a Porsche enthusiast in Jacksonville, Florida. By 1976, this Deletrian special had entered the garage of a Los Angeles area real estate mogul and was deposited among his small but finely curated collection of rare Porsches and Volkswagens. During its time with this previous owner, the car was registered to his Oregon vacation home, and in fact, these plates still accompany the car today. On May 17, 1978, Rudi Klein purchased the Porsche from the previous owner for $18,500 and subsequently trailered it to his home, high in the foothills of Rancho Palos Verdes. The car was rarely, if ever, enjoyed with any regularity during Klein's early ownership, and some years later, this remarkable time capsule of a car was subsequently brought to the storage buildings at Porsche Foreign Autos Yard in Los Angeles. During the 1980s, Klein loaned the car to Porsche shop Ace Brothers in Fullerton, California, so that several notable restorers from the United States and Germany could study, record, and faithfully recreate the original finishes featured upon this preserved reference-grade twin grille Roadster. Following its semi-public exhibition at Ace Brothers, it was quietly interred among Klein's personal trove of significant vehicles for several decades until July 2024, when R.M. Sotheby's staff arrived on site to catalog and photograph the entire collection. Owing to its superb originality of finishes and numbers matching drivetrain components, this highly practical derivative of the 356 Speedster sold on October 26, 2024 for $1,160,000. Thanks for watching.